Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cilantro lime vinaigrette. Start by gathering your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh cilantro, 2 to 3 juicy limes, and 1/2 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil. Don't forget 1 clove of garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon of honey for a touch of sweetness, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard to emulsify. A pinch of salt and pepper will bring all these vibrant flavors together beautifully. Now let's get blending. First, roughly chop your fresh cilantro. Both leaves and tender stems are fine. Next, juice your limes. Aim for about 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Then, simply add the chopped cilantro, lime juice, minced garlic, honey, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper into your blender or food processor. This step is quick and easy. To achieve that perfect, creamy consistency, start blending your mixture on low. Once everything is combined, slowly drizzle in the 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil through the top opening of your blender. This slow addition is key for emulsification. Continue blending for about 30 to 60 seconds until the vinaigrette is beautifully smooth and slightly thickened. Once your delicious cilantro lime vinaigrette is ready, pour it into an airtight jar or container. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for about 5 to 7 days. Before each use, give it a good shake to re-emulsify. It's fantastic on green salads, as a marinade for chicken or fish, or even drizzled over roasted vegetables. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.